This custom ROM is now actually so much improved. I'm talking about Mist OS. Last time when I made a video on this custom ROM, it was having a lot of similarities with Rising OS. It was giving you almost everything which is available in Rising OS and so on. But now after some time, I tried this once again, and yes, things have been changed, things have been improved, as many custom ROMs are just giving you similar kind of things. So it's not about unique things, but it's about like we have some changes available, some actual good things available in this one. First of all, it is also bringing you that new Expressive UI, which is available in almost every custom ROM, inspired from Android 16. As you can see, the seek bar is also inspired from Android 16. Including this thing, we have one thing which is actually so good. This is related to this called status bar action chip, or you can say progress bar in the status bar, and now it is in this circular shape and the option named as compact progress indicator. Use a compact circular indicator for ongoing actions, and personally speaking, this is looking something really good. Maybe it's available in some other custom ROMs too, but in many custom ROMs it's not available, so this is a very good thing. Also, like some other custom ROMs, they are also bringing you some keybox options, so which means you'll be able to use keybox, you'll be able to pass strong integrity, play integrity without rooting your device, without installing Magisk modules on your device. Although many users are actually talking about keybox, how to find them and so on, unfortunately this does not have a straightforward answer. You have to find it on your own, and for the actual sources, I guess we have to wait for some time if you need a trusted source where you will find all the key boxes. If you take a look at some of the other options, some of the things brings you like hide app list, hiding developer status, no storage restrict, hiding the screen capture status, application downgrade, and ignore Windows secure flags. If you're able to notice, these things are actually almost similar to Evolution XOS, unfortunately, but this is the reality. In Evolution XOS, this is the UI which is absolutely similar. The layout, the menus, the options, everything is almost similar to Evolution XOS. But that's okay because many custom ROMs are having similar options, so as in this one too. Some notification options which brings you heads up notification and so on. Quick settings, same options. Like you have this dark quick settings panel, the quick setting header images are here, also the quick setting widgets. You have almost same options available like some other custom ROMs which are also bringing you these kind of options. You can choose any one of these header images directly and you'll be able to use it. Actually, I was looking forward to light quick settings panel, but unfortunately it is literally dark one. Quick setting tile styles are similar. We have the option for lock screen, same options in this case, and everything else is just similar in this one too. If you take a look at some status bar options, you will notice clock and date have this background chip option which is same, and also have the option for status bar action chip as I just shown you, has those similar battery styles options available. Also brings you other privacy indicator icons and so on, so nothing unique in status bar customizations. Things are quite similar in this case. If you take a look at this is something really outstanding. As you can see in lock screen, we have these kind of options available. Lock screen bringing you lock screen custom clock styles, and many options are available here for you to customize. You can choose lock screen widgets. All the options which you were looking forward to are present in this case. Depth wallpaper and fingerprint related tweaks, pocket detection, similar options in this case. So you can go and explore it in case you want to. Theming options, expressive design, it's here. Wallpaper blur, you can enable. Brightness slider styles, lock unlock sounds, everything. I'm simply saying this once again, that is right now. Previously it was like Rising OS, now it is bringing you same UI like Evolution XOS. Yes, many custom ROMs are giving you some different things, some similar things, but unfortunately this is not changing anything. We have same options available, literally same menu designs, everything is same. We have only minor changes here and there. For example, the default launcher, it's not a pixel launcher, but it is not even that's same like of launchers which you are getting in some other custom ROMs. Launcher 3, new UI, same option, simple basic UI, but everything else is just similar. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Links are available in the description. We'll see you in the next one.